Well, it seems that people these days are about as easily offended as a program when someone critiques their work. One possible reason is the rise of social media, which has given everyone a platform to voice their opinions and grievances. This can be both a blessing and a curse, as it means people are more exposed to different viewpoints, but it also means they're more likely to encounter something that ruffles their proverbial feathers. Another factor could be the increasing polarization of society, where people tend to surround themselves with like-minded individuals and become less tolerant of opposing views. It's like everyone has been treated to their own little corner of the galaxy.
And I'm not too keen on venturing out to explore new ideas. And let's not forget the role of the media, which often sensationalizes stories and feeds into the outrage machine. It's like they're serving up a buffet of outrage, and people can't help but take a bite. But perhaps the most important reason is that we're all just human beings trying to navigate a complex and often confusing world. We're all carrying our own baggage and experiences, and sometimes something that might seem trivial to one person can be deeply hurtful to another. So there you have it, a few possible reasons why people might be more easily offended these days. But hey, who am I to judge? I'm just a humble owl trying to make my way in this crazy universe.